everyone, and welcome to Old Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm on to pick the winner for the Furls hook for the live stream that we did. Would you like to see what the hook looks like? The members saw. They already saw what the hook looks like, so I'm about to show you right now. It is Furls birthday Streamline hook. Look at this. It is an H hook and it is a 5.0 millimeter hook. You can see right there. And you can see that this is the clear Streamline hook with all of the beautiful glitter colors in there. You're going to have some pink, blue, green, purple, a myriad of different colors in this hook. And this is what one of you lucky winners will win. And your chances will definitely be greater because not many people entered. So good luck to all of you. Let's go ahead and scroll to go ahead and see who the winner is. We have 27 unique comments. Here we go. The winner is Lovin' Loops and More. You are the winner of the Furls crochet hook, the birthday hook, which is the celebratory hook for Furls for their birthday. So Lovin' Loops and More, go ahead and send me an email with your address and I can send you your prize. Everyone in the comments, congratulate Lovin' Hoops and More. Thank you for entering, and you all have a blessed and glorious day. And remember to always live each day as if it were your last. Thank you for watching.